welcome back, guys. So I know if you guys have a YouTube channel, you guys want to make a intro for your video. So let's go ahead and then go to panzoid.com, panzoid.com. Then right here, you want to go to click on Video Maker. So over here, you got a whole bunch of different kind of templates. Some of this like a outro and stuff like that. So if you want, you can click on more creation right here. So this is all the different templates or the trending, and you can click on the latest. So these are the new and latest one that people. Or if you see the name right here, that means you could put your own name. So let's just pick one right here. See which one has a 3D effect. So let's see, just try this one, and then you open in Clip Maker right here. So you want to click on the eye and become red, and you can hit play. I'm going to mute it real quick with the speaker. Hopefully there's no copyright sound. And this is like what's it look like. And it's going to keep on playing until you stop it. And you want to go ahead and then click on this checkbox right here, basics. And you want to make sure you have a video resolution. Most of my videos on 1920 by 1080p, and then rate frame will be around 30 frames per second, unless you are doing 60 frames per second. And then the length of the video, you could change it to, normally I like to do less than 10 seconds. So you could go over here and then change to 9. And then give like a quick play. Okay, so let's go ahead and then pause it. And this is where you want to click on the cube right here, or the objects. And you need to scroll in there. Hopefully there's a text message. You can change the text. If some of this you cannot change the text, that means you cannot change it. Oh, so right here. So you see N-A-M-E. Normally there's a text right there. You can just so I guess they're having like a spacing in between. So I could delete this if I want, and just start with where the N starts at. So that over here, I'm gonna click on it. Oops, and then where's the 3D text right here? You could just click on the N, and then type in your channel's name. And then I'm gonna type in McDaddy Pimpin channel, McDaddy Pimpin. Okay, and right here, if my name is kind of long, so I'm gonna change the size to 12. See, it's too long. I mean 14, or normally about 14 or 16. And then I'm gonna click on play. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty awesome. Okay, and then after that, if this is what you like, or some of them you could change the size and the thickness or whatever. You could also play with that. And then the position, the scale, the rotation and everything. Oh, and also the color. You could change a different color. Mine's basically about red and black. So I'm going to leave the way it is for now. I'm going to cancel that. And then if you want to download this, you could just click on the download arrow right here. And then make sure you change the mode to good quality. Good quality is going to take about 10 minutes. Balance is about 6 to 7 minutes. And then extreme quality, as you can see, it says slow. I'm not sure how long that's gonna take. So I'm gonna click on good quality right now, and then click on start video render. I'm gonna click on allow. So as you can see, give you like a time left, 2 minutes. So depend how heavy the graphic is, it's gonna take longer to process your render or rendering. So this one is goes pretty quick. It's only less than a minute now. And when you after you render it, the file name will be .mkv file. Normally I go on the YouTube, I mean not YouTube, go on the Google search and then search from .mkv file, convert that to MP4, so I can put it in my iMovie. So as you see, we only have about 44 seconds left. Unless you have a VLC right here, then you could go ahead and then open the .mkv file. I'm not sure if the iMovie would take the mkv file. So after that, you could go ahead and then download your video. Click on that. So as you can see, the mkv file is download right now. So let me see, I'm gonna click it up. So I'm gonna click on open. So as you can see, I have a VLC media player. It's gonna automatic open from that software. So there you go. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.